So hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I and my friend Zui and Place are playing Skyblock. So I know you guys know Skyblock, so I'm not gonna explain what it is. So by the way, I'm actually starting a new series with him. So please subscribe and like the video. It will help us a lot. Check out Zui and Place though. Subscribe to him and stuff like that. And yeah, let's get right into the video.
So well,
Moo,
okay.
moo, moo. Okay, I'll make our cobble generator. I swear to God, I will do it correctly. I'll do it correctly. One, two.
I made a crafting table, so don't make it.
Okay, I'll not. I'll do that.
Give me
Then
a plant. Give me a plant.
wait.
Give me a plant.
Take a log. Then we do that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Momo is going to step on it. Momo, get out of here, bro. No, 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 no. Don't let it. Don't let him. Okay. Then we'll keep like that. Okay, you have farmed the tree, right? Okay. No, don't push him. Don't push him. Oh my God.
Momo will be at one heart, I think.
Yes, obviously. Okay, I'm actually going to make myself some tools. No, I already have it. You, what is our plan right now?
Make a water source first and expand our island. The
Okay,
main goal of this
give
video
me
is
the
to
water, give me
expand
the
our
water.
island and make a cobblestone generator. We made it already. Hey, why did you take the water, man?
Because I'm going to make a infinite water source. Give me your blocks, you mind.
Wait, I'll turn it into
I do have dirt. Should I use dirt?
yeah, lava is flowing.
That is will go down. We do have an other. No, we don't.
Okay, so expand the island.
No, first we have to make a water source. Give me your blocks. Give me.
I turned into slab.
No problem. Can make it. Why can't I pick it? Okay, we got some slabs. We do that. Do that. You go and mine the cobblestone for now.
How can I mine the cobblestone? This is the water bucket.
Oh yes. I'll. Okay, first we have to pick up the thingy. I mean lava. We place that there. We take that. Then we place lava in there. We take that. Oh my God. Okay, that and that. That. Now our cobblestone generator is ready. You mind? I'll expand, I guess. First will expand, then
Don't fall.
I will not. The pickaxe. So
Just
it's
give
like
me I'll expand you.
no.
I
I
have already 11 cobblestone.
that means make a water source.
So first you give me that slab.
Why?
Here.
Okay. First I'll take the water from here. I took the water. Okay. I am keeping the water bucket and the ice in the
Okay.
chest. Take it. No. Okay, you took it right. Okay, do it. Okay, take the water and place in the generator. I'll mine maybe.
Okay, give me the
What?
slab. You completed it?
Yes, I completed like one round. Why is this so slow? Give me that. Okay.
Okay, so guys, make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel because
Oh my God, slow.
we'll be uploading fun stuff and videos you might like. So subscribe the channel and like the video. How much did you get, man?
6 cobble.
That's free.
Take that. I'll Oh my god. I'll keep that in the chest. Give me a stone pick, by the way. Give it. Oh my god. I got. I just fell in the lava. But nothing happened. I lived. Oh my god.
Can you mind that stuff?
Yes, of course. Okay. Took it right. We did get. We don't have any bird saplings though.
Okay, we'll get it from the leaf side.
I get. Oh, we do have one. I'm using the blocks to get it. Okay, you got it. We'll also break the leaves. Nothing.
Pickaxe, break it.
Doesn't give lot of damage and stuff. Okay, guys, that means we'll be doing some expanding and mining. So, guys, we are back. We have mined a lot of cobblestone. We have extended the island. Now, what we are currently doing is trying to build a platform with trees and farming. So, Juan Place is actually doing that. Until that, I'm doing the other stuff like mining cobblestone and bringing stuff and that. I guess we should actually plant one sapling though. We do have a lot of varieties of seeds. Yeah, beetroots.
Not, we not farm now, we have to place saplings here.
We, by the way, if we actually have melons, melons are actually a good source of eating though. Should I make a melon seed?
Yeah, make it.
Okay.
What do you think? I should expand the island?
No, first make a platform.
I can.
Okay. We actually need a very big platform because we need to place dirt and stuff. Actually, so by the way, guys, if you guys also want to join the server, its IP is will yeah
On the screen.
on the screen, guys. Okay, we do need dirt, right? So actually,
I think we should take all the dirt from the main island and turn into cobblestone.
that will be kind of weird. Weird. Actually, what I am thinking is we have to mine enough cobblestone and sell it so we can get some money and buy dirt. That's kind of big brain.
Not buy it. It will take time.
No, it won't. Let's see what's the rate of the cobblestone. Cobblestone. What the cobblestone at? Building blocks.
0.10
0.10.
cent.
Uh,
0.10 cent. And for buying we need 1.
okay. So
So we have literally no nothing.
hold up. What's the price of dirt then? If dirt is much cheaper, it is literally 50
0.05.
USD. Okay, that means we just need to mine. What have you done? Okay, no problem. We need to mine around 10.
We have 4 dirt.
And then we take it. First, we have to make the farm, which I'll take the seeds. No, first
Place
I'll okay. I guess what we have to do is oh no, don't place the saplings. Take it. So first we have to make a farm because we need food and I am literally at 4 hearts. I mean 4 hunger bars. So place the dirt. We'll make it into a farm. After that we will.
okay, how much cobblestone you have?
I have 0. I have to mine. Okay.
Okay, now I'll mine.
I will do the farming.
Craft a hoe.
Yes, I do need a hoe.
Cobblestone generator is very slow.
Yes. Okay, I made a hoe. Give me the dirt though. Give me the dirt. What is the use of pumpkin?
Pumpkin. We can sell it.
Sell it. Yes, that's a good idea. We have around two. Hold up. We have 4 dirt and we have 2 seeds. That means we can plant 1 sapling. Okay, good. We do have bones. We can use it for bone meals and
I
stuff.
think we cannot sell pumpkin.
We can't sell pumpkin. Okay, no problem. What?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, we have to. Give me. No, I do have pickaxe. Okay.
Yeah, I can sell the pumpkin. 0.50 cents.
Okay, good. Sell it then. Sell it. That's like no use of it. So should I make it right here?
I sell it, and we have 0.50 now.
Okay, then get to 1 dirt. Get 1 dirt. Get 1 dirt.
We have lots of dirt on the island.
But we don't want to waste it, right?
We have it with us.
Okay. Okay. Hmm. हाँ. Okay.
So guys, take the dirt from it and press it into.
By the way, give me the cobble. I'm going to trap Momo. Momo, I'm going to trap Momo.
Right, we need.
Eh,
Do we have any meat?
we
We
don't.
can do it.
That means we need grass. I'm.
We will buy it then.
Yes, we have to
This is
buy.
enough for this.
No, 23 मिनट्स ही हुआ है. अभी तो कटिंग वगैरह करने का है. नहीं मतलब एकदम छोटा वीडियो हो जाएगा. 10 मिनट का भी नहीं रहेगा. So I guess I will actually look at some seeds. At the seeds at there are a lot of. You need $1 for seed. I guess we have to save it. Can save it. Save the money. You did sell the pumpkin, right? That's good. And I'm out of hunger bars.
Type back balance.
Okay, I drank my soup because I was in 3. Okay, so right now should I guess I'll bone meal it. Our melons. I'm going to bone meal it. It's okay, right? Okay. Dirt into grass.
And we can get seeds easily
Yes.
from placing.
Yes. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. I'm making one bone meal and placing it on the ground. Please, we should get one seed. If we don't, that will be an absolute failure. Okay, take the thingy. Take the lava. Take the lava and the water. We don't want anything to go in the lava. Oh my god. Wait, keep the torch. We don't want any mobs to. Oh my god, I don't either. Okay, I'm going to bone mill it once. And we do get 3 grass. So we have to be super lucky. We got it. I got it. I got 1 seed. I'm planting it right now. Oh yes, we do need water right here.
Right?
Then what about the crops?
Yeah, I'll take the water.
Okay. Oh.
Here I have to take some water.
Wait, I will actually hold it.
Yeah, I look funny with the water.
Okay, I'm coming there. Give me the water bucket. Give me one. Give me. Okay. Get that.
Another is in.
Oh my god, my cat is back. Actually, I'm going to take off the beetroot seed and place water right there. No. I will take this part of the land and place water. Get it. Oh my god, I got it. Okay, I have placed water. Now it should grow. Hey, look, my cat is on the thingy. Okay, I'll keep. Oh my god, Moomy saw. Okay. So we have created the farm. Actually, I'm thinking to place water nearby the island. So if we actually end up like falling, we escape or something. That's a good idea, right? I'm taking it and I'm putting water around. Oh my god, shut up. Okay. Okay, I placed the water. Let's get more. I have water right here, so we actually don't end up falling. Oh my god, it's on the keyboard. It's on the keyboard. Get out. Get out. Catty. Okay, I'm actually going to do it along the way. It will be, is it weird? Okay. Okay. Okay, I will place 3 right in here. Then I will place 1 in here. 3 there. Right.
Lava is currently at top.
Yes. Okay guys, I guess that's where we are going to leave this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and stuff like that. And please show your show your guys support by
Hitting that subscribe button.
yes, and comment down your ideas though. What you going what you guys want to see us build next in the Skyblock. And now if you guess what our plan is in the next episode, you will get a shout out in the video. And when you comment, you get a shout out though. So it doesn't really matter so much, you might say. So and yeah guys, please subscribe and hit the like button. It will help us a lot. And yeah, this is where I'm going to leave the video. Goodbye guys, have a nice day. And yeah, bye bye. Tudun, tudun.